There are many myths and misconceptions shared about quitting smoking in pregnancy. Here are some of the common myths we hear in Powys and a Powys midwife confirming the facts.
Smoking during pregnancy increases the chances of baby having a low birth weight. Babies with low birth weight are more likely to have serious health problems than babies with normal weight. These problems can affect your baby's health now, throughout their childhood and into adulthood. Pregnant women have other ways of quitting besides going cold turkey, which is quitting without any preparation or support. HMQ Baby offers a service and many resources that can help support a quit attempt. Every time you smoke during pregnancy, you put your baby's health at risk. If you smoked and had a healthy pregnancy in the past, that does not mean your next one will be healthy too.
If you would like to quit smoking for a smoke-free pregnancy, speak to your midwife or get in touch.